When? Until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 9:51 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Atmore, Brewton, Flomaton, East Brewton, Pollard, Riverview, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, I-65 and Alabama 21, Interstate 65 and County Road 1, Hammock, Fauci, Osaka, Pineview, Wallace, Stanley Crossroads, Welka, Wall, Barnett Crossroads, Sardine and Appleton. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a special weather statement.